constituency. What is the strategy and what kind of hurdle you are seeing there?
No. Strategy is the same across all 140 constituencies. We are taking forth Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's vision of development and opportunity for all Malayalis. That is the same strategy that we are adopting across all the 140 constituencies, including my constituency, Nemam.
So, what about the seat sharing issue? What kind of strategy you are?
No, NDA has done all of its seat sharing with all of its coalition partners very smoothly, unlike what you're seeing in the CPM and the Congress. We have had absolutely no dispute. Everything is moving smoothly. And, the whole NDA alliance is working as a coordinated single unit with one intention and one goal to bring Viksit Kerala to Kerala.
What is the prediction this time?
No, I have no predictions. I don't want to predict anything in terms of numbers. But I will 100% predict to you that there will be deep, decisive change in the politics of Kerala. There will be deep, decisive change in the political culture of Kerala. And there will be a major change in the way, direction that our state will go, because the people will give the BJP NDA a very strong mandate for change and development.
BJP is also focusing on Christian vote bank in Kerala. So what kind of...
No, BJP is not focusing on any vote bank. We are targeting every Malayali who is interested in a better future for their children. We are targeting every Malayali who wants to have a better Kerala. And our message is going to every home across the state, whether it is Muslim home, Christian home, Hindu home. We make no difference and distinction between all of them. For us, every Malayali is a Malayali whom we want to serve.
LDF and UDF is saying that BJP is doing communal politics in the Kerala. One of your leader, Gopal Krishna, just gave the communal remarks and the FIR has been registered there.
No, look, that is a matter now that is sub judice and I don't want to comment on it. But it is ironical that the CPM and the Congress will say anything about communal politics, because both those parties are the ones that are hand in glove with Jamaat-e-Islami and are doing in a formal alliance with Jamaat-e-Islami in their politics.